Hi everyone, today we're going to be cleaning the faucet aerator of our sink here, or this little end piece. Go ahead and we're going to unclog some stuff so that we can get a better flow of water coming through. If you take a close look here, you can see some calcium buildup, and we just want to go in and clean all that off there. Okay, so the first thing we want to do here is get this end piece off, and what we want to do, grab some pliers, and we're going to use a towel so we don't scratch it. Just put it around there, and then we're going to put some pressure on it, and it should loosen up here. Now I think it's loose enough I can go by hand, so we'll go ahead and do that. See some water flowing out there. Okay, so as we take it off and we take a look at it, we can see there's a bunch of gunk in here that's blocking the aerator, so we're going to want to go in and clean all that out and get rid of some of this calcium buildup as well. Okay, so in order to clean it off, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and run our faucet here for a second, but then we're also going to rinse this off, as much of that stuff out as we can. And then, so once we've done that, we rinsed a bunch of that away, but there's still some more gunk in there. So you can take either a toothpick or a sewing needle. We're going to try and clean all this out. So to get the rest of this calcium buildup off, we're going to go ahead and we put some the CLR here in a little cup. We're going to let this sit overnight, so it will get rid of some of the calcium buildup and some of this other gunk that's been in there. So we're going to just drop that in, and again we're just going to let it sit overnight and go ahead and throw that back on in the morning. Okay, so we've left the end piece in for about a day or so to kind of let it clean some of the calcium buildup off there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take it out, rinse it off, and we're going to use an old toothbrush to scrub it clean. So you can see it's cleaned a lot of that gunk off there, and it looks like we'll be able to just rinse a lot of that off. We'll go ahead and use our toothbrush to just kind of scrub, pop that out. So we'll take it apart as much as we can and clean as much of the residue and other impediments out. Okay, and then once that's done, we'll go ahead and put the plug back in there, and we're just going to go ahead and screw it back on. Okay, so if you need to, you can get some pliers and tighten that up extra tight there. But it looks like it's running fine, and we seem to have gotten some of the gunk out of there and cleaned the end piece off.